Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy, I call him TP, Dave from Kentucky, the Tesla picker? You picking for a Tesla? Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all that we picking the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, me and my baby, we finna go to, on a little cruise. So sometimes, pickers gotta do other things. You know what I mean? So, you just don't pick all your life. You do other stuff. So today we're going on a little date. She doing makeup, so I'm gonna put her on right. I'm not gonna put her on right now. She doing a little makeup on. We running a little late, but I just want to tell y'all that this. This is in St. Louis. Well, it's not in St. Louis. This is Alton, Illinois. It's about 15 miles away from our house. This is called the River Road right here. In the summertime, people come through here with their hot rods and motorcycles. And down at the end of this road, it's a city called Grafton. And in Grafton, they got a whole lot of little restaurants and stuff like that. And we finna go down here and get on like a little river boat. And in the summertime, this place is full of boats. You can see people with their yachts and stuff come down here, come down through the Mississippi River right here. I think this is Missouri River though. But you can see them in their boats that cruise up through here. And people riding their bikes, stuff like that. So it's a nice little area to come through. When you come through St. Louis, it's a nice area to come and see some scenery. Right now I'm gonna let y'all check out this scenery. And we're gonna go through some trees right now though. We got a whole lot of, they put a stoplight down here. And there was a stoplight right here. So anyway, so a whole lot of people in St. Louis don't know about this though. Don't know about this road. So we've been coming down there for a while. For years we've been coming through here. It's a restaurant we eat down here called the Fin Inn, where they got all the fish that's in the Mississippi River. They got them in fish tanks and stuff, and you can order fish, and it's pretty good. It's called the Fin Inn. We used to go there all the time. Then at the end of this is a place called Pierre Marquette that got whole chicken and stuff like this. A Pierre Marquette Park. It's a big park. Anyway, so I'm gonna let y'all see the scenery for a minute, and then I'm gonna flick y'all back on. Ain't no boats coming through here today. But let me turn the music back up. See that TP? I got your t-shirt, TP. Okay, y'all, this is Grafton. This is a little small town in Alton, right outside Alton, Illinois. See how packed it is? Usually in the summertime, it's hot rides down there, people with motorcycles, stuff like that. And we almost to the location, but I just wanted to show y'all this little small historic town right here. This little small shops. People come here to get all kind of different stuff. Little small town with a whole lot of little shops in it. So whenever you all come to St. Louis, if you come through St. Louis, you can go through Grafton and eat at the restaurants and stuff like that. I don't know if y'all can hear me because I'm talking kind of low, but Yeah, see all these people? People everywhere. It's a nice place to come visit. Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all off and then we're gonna come back when we get ready to turn up to this where the cruise riverboat is. Where the riverboat at, when we turn up in there, I'm gonna turn it back on. Alright, y'all. Okay, y'all, we here. Finna go down here because we're running real late. Get on this little bitty ass boat. Finna get on this little baby yacht. I think that's it down there. We got one breakfast. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I'm back. We're on the boat. We're on the boat, y'all. We're on the Missouri Illinois River right here. My beautiful wife, Dion. Yeah, she pretty, ain't she? Y'all better recognize her. Anyway, yeah, see? We go to captain right here. Captain of the boat. Anyway, y'all, this is what we doing today. Got this big thing on it, blowing everywhere. People that live over on the other side over there. See those houses and stuff? Oh, he's looking into the middle of the boat. Anyway. Yeah, y'all, this is sometimes what we do in the loop. You know, take riverboat rides, stuff like that. We not where D at on the West Coast, you know, by the ocean. This is our ocean right here. This is our ocean. Anyway, y'all, just want to show y'all, we can go up on the upper deck, but you gotta be able to sit down up there. It's already reserved. My baby. See y'all later. And I just want y'all to know, just get ready to say it, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. My wife didn't want to say it. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell your people, tell everybody to subscribe. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.